Hello everyone, and welcome to another Stutter Herdier Herdier. Hey, don't know how to pronounce this shit. It is another Pokemon Auto Chess video. There's a rock start and the potential normal start. Let's see what happens. Maybe we play wild. Normal wild is very strong early game, but I need to find Legetang and Apon. Yeah, I need to find both, because Rattata sucks. But at least eradicate, you know? Oh shit. Ooh. That's a lot of lillipups. That's funny because I was talking about... My wife actually was talking with me about adopting dogs. Look at this. Actually not, I'm the one that wants to adopt dogs. She wants to buy a golden retriever. I'm like, you really want to spend money with the dog when you can just adopt one, like what the fuck. And we are back and forth on this. She really wants to get a golden retriever. It's her childhood dream. I'm fine with that, you know what I mean? Like, I'll rather adopt, but what can I say, dude? It's her dream. So yeah. Actually, hold up a second here. This is a good wild start. Did not realize that. Okay, got you in time. Yeah, we might be playing wild. I don't know, who knows? Not me. Was definitely not paying attention. So can I grab one of them out ice, please? Thank you. And I think I'm gonna rock with a normal here at the early game. Right? Yeah, I'm gonna rock with normal in the early game, and then probably pivot into full wild at Gyarados. But that's a big probably. Not sure. Because this could easily be a Pokenomicon, and yeah, Pokenomicon with this dude here, Wishmore. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. All that I know is the herder is making me coin, good boy. Nah. Yeah, no attack speed, no attack damage. So I said that if I was gonna play normal, I would want a Pokenomicon Wishmore, right? So all of these items, none of them are great for wild. So I'll keep this in mind, right? This is a Pokenomicon, so maybe play normal. I don't know. I'd rather play wild. It's looking strong. It's looking like a strong start here, but it's probably normal. Let's see. Ah, you were able to make me 1 coin. 2 even. Huh. Gonna be real with you, I did not expect to win against the fighting team. But it was not fighting, it was 4 human and 2 fighting only. Okay, that's why then. That's probably why we won. Thinking, yeah, I'm probably gonna be dropping the wild buff here. Just because Cleffa is stronger, question mark. be honest, I'm not sure. Ah, it doesn't matter. We're playing against the baby. Huh. 40! Ah, that's the diabolical laugh of someone who just made a lot of cash. That's cool. Yeah, Cleffa can potentially use a really crazy good ability. Um, that being said, should have played like this, right? My bad. Damn, if we keep winning, that's gonna be crazy. Jesus! Whoa! Ah, here, dear. You're the goat. Okay, let me see here. Bug 2 just because we can. I'm gonna grab you guys again just because we can. But what do I want? Meow's in the game. Yeah, we play normal. Okay. Okay, we are playing normal. So what? I was thinking about Punching Glove Red Orb or Mana Scarf. Mana Scarf actually for the Wishmar. But like I said, we are playing normal. Dude, that's a lot of coins. And a Meowth, that's crazy. Okay. Normal 5 here, right? Yeah. Meow is crazy. You're a good unit. Look at these, dude. That's so much money. What a good boy. Is that a sign? Is that a sign that I'm right and I should adopt a dog instead of buying one? Probably is, right? He's such a good boy. Yeah. Problem is, convince my wife about that. Okay. Okay, I think I want this one. That's probably mouse hold, right? Let's see. Oh, Spinda. Ah, I like yours a lot. Is immediate confusion, 100% additional special damage to anyone confused. Okay, you are very strong. I think I want to transfer her items to you. Her dyer, I don't know what to say. How to say this freaking dude's name. Yeah, it's probably wise to transfer the items like that. Okay, good. Central is interesting. Keeps increasing its defenses, but I think he's much better in ground than he is in normal. And someone else is playing normal, I think. No, that's probably field, right? Yeah, it's field. Good boy, good boy. Okay, I'll go for level 7, that way we are normal 7, then I start rolling for the units here. Definitely want a Pokenomicon, so let me build that. That's going for Wishmer. Probably want Mana Scar for Wishmer as well, and then an AP item, either a Sodium or Choice Packs. So let's keep that in mind. I think I really need this muscle bed on Spinda though. Ah, is that a Charizard? Oh boy. I think Spinda is gonna be interestingly strong with some sort of AP scaling item. Because he deals extra damage based on that, right? Yeah. Okay. I want either the mana or the crit. Okay, got the mana, good. Level 7 now. Ooh, Togekiss. Oh, I think the water is boiling. The water for my coffee. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. And normal 7 is just crazy strong. Actually, opponent's team was not that good. Gee, we are level 7 before Mewtwo, like, what a crazy good start we had in this game. Lola Meowth instead of the regular Meowth. Not sure how I feel about that. Payday is definitely interesting, but I think I'll have to rock with you. Who else is added to the game? Hippopotas. Hmm. Munchlax is interesting. We can make some monster stuff with the Snorlax, but sadly no berries. He keeps making me coin. I think he stole 3 coins from that dude. So stupid. Like, that's really, really stupid. Oh, look who we found. That's stupid as well. Yeah, okay, stop rolling. I'm definitely looking for Wishmore. Where is it? Where is him? Here. Who got added? You and you. I'll keep an eye out for Munchlax. Not sure how I feel about Hippowdon. Black glasses, right? For sure. Because that's the Wonder Box for Spinda. And we have a Chessie. But where the hell is our Wishmer? We are in the right level to be rolling for it. Oh, there you are. It's hard to say that we would have easily won here. Oh, we're winning anyway. Never mind then. Yeah, Spinda is is just crazy. And Chansey as well. Place of who? You. Bye bye. Thank you for your service though. Definitely selling you. I think I want this on you. So it's Pokenomicon Aquac here for sure. No one here is good enough for the amulet coin though. Oh, I need to slot the 7th unit. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's bad. Let's evolve Wishmer to a Loudred. Then we focus on leveling. That's almost a Togekiss though. Like, this is crazy. This is almost a Togekiss. What the hell is wrong with this game? Okay. Almost a Wigglybuff as well. Do I want X-Ray or Red Orb? Gracidia Flower. Okay, I grab the Red Orb for sure. Okay, let's focus now on level 8 here. We are close to both. Wiggly forgot the freaking Togekiss and Wigglypuff. Wigglybuff, I don't know. Wigglybuff is interesting. Puts 3 Pokemons to sleep. That gives enough time for Spinda to keep casting and gaining more and more attack speed. Who's holding this though? I still have no idea. Oh, scary. But maybe Spinda can carry. Maybe. And now he's gonna cast deal a billion damage here. Ah, yeah, never mind. Okay, we have to start thinking about the end game here. Are we playing Fairy or are we playing Sound? Or a mix of the two? Probably Sound, right? Ah, that's good. He was added to the game, did not realize that. Mr. Bronzer, where are you here? You combo well with the other Sound legendary Jiroshi. Yeah, I still have no idea on who I'm gonna be dropping this amulet coin though. Because I definitely want a P item for Loudred. And I don't think the other units are here to deal damage. They're pretty much support units. Okay, that's one. That's a good candidate, I guess. He's not gonna be gaining a lot of HP, so it's not gonna be that crazy strong. Any other sound unit added to the game? No, just Bronzong. Without Floete, sound looks empty. You know what I mean? Like sound definitely looks empty. No units. Only add picks, they are not that great, you know? Um, I'll go for this sound portal here. Because I'm fine with either Meloera or Jiroshi. Doesn't make sense to have an Arceus, though. That's a good question. I'll go for Jiroshi. Range 3, right? Not that many great items for it, though. But... hold the Gracidia for me, please, girl. Would you? Thank you. Hmm... I think I have to drag everyone down here. So I want to maximize the shield on Chansey and Spinda. Oh, freaking Palkia brought him to the front line. Yeah, now we're losing. What a find here. Okay, yeah, let's reposition the way that I was thinking about. Like this. Yeah. This is not an Alolan Meowth region anymore. So we can say bye-bye to him. Yeah, I need a Soldio here. But it's fine, we think enough. Just the freaking Palkia that screws the formation of the team. Which exposes the Loudred. Choice Specs is interesting as well. But I think the water player is definitely going for it, yeah. What to do, what to do... I think I want the Red Orb, not Red Orb, the Flame Orb. I'll drop this on Jiroshi. She's getting a huge shield already. So yeah. That's funny, right? Red Orb, Flame Orb. That'll be what? 65? 75, right? Yeah, 75. Good. Kieran just ate us for breakfast. Look at that damage. Ooh. Maybe, but we're close to a Blissey. Let's go down to 40. There's the Fuecoco for Sound 4. Good. No. Just want the browser, right? Don't Fuecoco. And again, because we are packed, someone just raped us. Not much we can do about that. That's how normal is supposed to be played. But I think we need to adapt here. So let's think. Sure. This on you. And let's see. Ah, it's the freaking water player. Ooh. We got it. Yeah, we got it this time. Good. So much AoE, dude. Yeah, probably should have held the Fuecoco just to make some 4. That's a mistake. That was definitely a mistake. Can we win against this dude? The Kieran. Hahaha. Good. The confusion got him. I really need that. Ooh, we are gonna move before him. Good. Choice packs acquired. Kinda want to sell you the Chansey. Oh man. That was a bad decision though. Dittoing. Because I definitely need a Sound 4 unit here. That's fine, still have HP. There's a PvE coming. We have time. I think I'm fighting against him again. No, it's the water dude. Okay, GG. Water dude's out of the lobby. And he's winning. It really depends on the confusion, I guess. If he gets confused or not. Go figure. So I think I'll definitely sell you. Make 20 coins here. And do what? Oh, okay, that's one. Oh, good. Oh, good. Now what's the other normal unit to replace this lack of here? I don't know, this is not a lack of region. Took me a while to realize that. Okay, looks like this is enough. Sound 4 and some evolved units really do make a difference. Probably you, Hippopotas, right? 6, 5, 130, 10, 4, 120. Yeah, probably. Okay, you are asleep. And you are asleep again. Haha, GG. Good, 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 good. Kieran's definitely a scary carry for the ice team. Okay, I'll hold one Meowth. Just in case. That's a Tiro. Yeah, not enough money though. That's fine, I guess. Let's see, is the game over? Did we win? I've been facing this dude back and forth like forever. And it's always me and him at the end. Okay, that's a very good repositioning here that he found. Okay, there he is. Locking the shop. How is he? Okay, like that. Yeah, we just mirror to the other side. It's even worse for the Kieran, right? If I find another choice packs, I'm probably dropping that on Wigglytuff, just to make the enemy team sleep longer, you know? But no, okay. Rocky helmet it is. Sure, dude. You do you. I could not drop the item time. I was like, oh, is he gonna reposition? What the hell's gonna happen? I mean, whatever, dude. GG. Really good game here. No matter what happens, that's a very good game. Props to you, dude. That's it then. GG. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you can forgive some of my mistakes, especially not knowing what units to go for. In the last patch, the 5.8, I would definitely go for a Megalopony, Altaria, you know, out of the good sound stuff. But like I said, sound looks kinda empty nowadays. And that kinda nerfs normal a bit, in my opinion. But, well, guess that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!